So for this circuit we have to solve I1, I2, I3, I2 and V1, V2, V3. So first what we can do, we can write KVL for the two loops here, and let's say the direction of traverse counterclockwise, so this way and this way. So for the first loop, if we call it loop 1 and loop 2 anyway, for this one, the first one, if we write the equation, when we go this way, 10 volt is a rise, and then plus 2I1, that's a drop, plus 8I2 equals to 0. So the equation becomes 2I1 plus 8I2 equals to 10. So we have one equation there. And the second one is for the second loop, this one. If we go this way, the V2 is a rise, so that's 8I2, that's a rise now. And then this one, 4 into I3, that's a drop, plus 4I3. And then finally this one, 6 volt, this is also a rise when we go counterclockwise, so that's negative 6 equals to 0. So this one is, we can rewrite this one like 8I2 minus 4I3 equals to negative 6. Now the other thing we have, if we write KCL at this node, we can see I1 equals to I2 plus I3. In this case I have written the entering current on the left side and leaving current on the right side. We can do that as well. Also for KVL we can write the rise on one side and drops on the other side. I actually prefer that, but anyway. So what I can do, I can replace I1 in this equation 1, with I2 and I3. So it becomes 2I2 plus 2I3 plus 8I2 equals to 10. So that's 10I2, sorry, 10I2 plus 2I3 equals to 10. So we have another equation now. Let's call it equation 3 if this one is equation 2. So we have I2 and I3 here, and sorry, I2 and I3 here. So what I can do, equation 3 I can multiply by 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 then added with 2, that can be done. So this is 30I2 plus 4I3 equals to 20, and this one here is I2, 8I2 minus 4I3, 8I2 minus 4I3 equals to minus 6. So if I add these two, sorry, this one becomes 20 actually, because this is 10 here multiplied by 2, 20. So if I add these two, it becomes, these two gets cancelled and these two get cancelled, and this one is 28 I2 is equal to 14, or I2 equals to 14 over 28, which is 0.5 amps, or we can write 500 milliamps. So that we have. Then if we substitute back in any of these equations, maybe this one, we have 10I2 plus 2I3 equals to 10. So that's 10 into 0.5, which is 5, plus 2I3 equals to 10, is equal to 10, sorry. So 2I3 equals to 5 and I3 is 2.5 amps. When we have these two, I2 we have and I3 we have, so I1 will be I2 plus I3 from the KCL. So that's 0.5 plus 2.5 equals to 3 amps. And once we have them, we can find the V1, V2 and V3 easily. So V1 is 2 into, if we go to the original equation, we can see that V1 is equal to 2 into I1, which is 2 into 3, that's 6 volts. V2 is 8 into I2, which is 8 into 0.5, which is 4 volts. And finally V3 is, I am just writing here, though it's getting clumsy, but we have the diagram here. So V3 is this one, so 4 into I3, 4 into 2.5, I3 is 2.5, so that's 10 volts. So we have all the three voltages. V1 is the resistance is 2, the current is 3, so 6 volts, 2 times 3. V2 is this one, resistance is 8, current is 0.5, so 8 into 0.5 is 4 volts. And finally V3 is, the resistance is 4 ohms and the current is 2.5, so 4 times 2.5 is 10 volts. So we have everything now.